Not too long ago I went to an exhibition and I saw one of those tools that comes up every now and again that is completely unique, different, not available from anybody else. And today we're going to look at the Festool, this Festool ISC240. But before we get into it, let's look at the button below. If you're not a subscriber already, push the button below, hit the bell. You'll get regular updates of our films, and we can show you what's going on in the world of tools. Now let's go on to the tool itself. Why do I need this tool? This tool is designed to cut PIR insulation board. It cuts it with minimal dust. It has dust extraction on it. The conventional way of cutting PIR board is with a handsaw, and it goes all winky wonky. This cuts accurately and square. But the main reason is that dust control. It's not pleasant cutting PIR material, but this Festool tool is unique in that it can do it relatively cleanly and absolutely accurately. But it's expensive, and if you buy this case with all the bits in it, and it won't have all the bits in it, it's £600 plus, and not many people can justify £600. You can't hire them. Nobody's hiring them, and I guess at £600, you know, they're concerned that they might not get it back, and you know, deposits and all that sort of business, you know. And the blade that it comes with isn't this one. This one is the PIR cutting blade. The blade it comes with is a serrated edge, which is not here. I've left it on the site. But a serrated edge which is designed for cutting softer materials, foam, insulation, matting, and the like. I would suggest that it's not the one that everybody wants, or maybe there should be two varieties, because what you have to do is buy this blade for £50 extra. The dust extraction tool, the dust extraction adapter, is obviously designed to go on a Festool vacuum cleaner, but obviously you can make them fit other, but you have to buy the adapter. All that said, expensive it is, the job that it does is brilliant. This particular purchase was done in a slightly different way. First of all, there are some incentives that have tool only. This isn't one of them, but there is one that has tool only and battery, but no charger. So if you want to cut PIR, you buy the tool, hopefully with the promotional battery. You buy the blade and you buy the charger. In this particular case, I looked around for the cheapest charger I could buy, and I looked for the cheapest blade I could buy, and I have now been cutting PIR. I'd love to demonstrate it to you, but it's big and bulky and I don't have it here. But please believe me, as a tool, it is magnificent. If at some later stage I think that I need to recoup some of my cost, if you ever see them on an auction site, they go for nearly new money, and they're that desirable. So I have the greatest admiration for this tool. There's not any other make available to you, but thank you again for looking with me at the Festool ISC240. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. Don't forget, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and we're on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.